I'm the one they sleeping on. Shit. The one that's still dreaming on. The one who carry all the pain and still leading on. But wake up.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I melt my wig cap and apply my lace front wig. I'm going to take my Got2b Glued Freeze Spray, which I got from my local Walmart. And I'm just going to take that and I'm going to spray it around the perimeter of my head. However, there was a slight problem.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
So I forgot to wipe off the perimeter of my head with alcohol to get rid of any oils that would cause my wig to lift or not lay properly. So I just did that. So I put a different wig cap on because the other one, it just wasn't gonna work for me anymore. So now we're about to just start that whole process over again. So we're gonna take our Got2b Glued and we're going to spray that around the perimeter of our head. So after spraying the Got2b Glued around the perimeter of my head and the wig cap, I like to take a blow dryer and just blow dry it all dry. So now what you're going to do is you want to take some scissors and just cut off all the extra pieces of the wig cap that you're not going to need during this application. So after cutting off all the other pieces of the excess wig cap, you want to take the Ghost Bond glue, Ghost Bond sis, and you want to take that and you want to put that around the perimeter of your wig cap. And don't use a lot because we're still trying to protect our edges. So I like to literally just put it around the edge of the wig cap and not touch my edges with it. Once I'm done putting the Ghost Bond on the edge of the wig cap, I like to just go in with the blow dryer and make sure everything is dry. After that, we are going to go in and just do a second coat and repeat all the steps you just did. After applying 2 layers of my Ghost Bond glue, I like to go in with my Got2b Glued Freeze Spray and just go over everything another time just to make sure it's all flat and can really melt into my scalp.
Wave check, yeah, that's me.
Now I'm going to take this powder that I have, and you just want to take a powder that matches or is close to matching your skin tone, and you just want to take that and you want to spread that all around the front of the wig cap so that everything can kind of mesh together and really just blend and look as if it's one. So this is the wig that I will be applying. This wig I got from Amazon. It is a lace front wig. It comes with 3 clips. There's 2 on the side and 1 in the back. And I will leave the link in the description box to this wig if anyone wants to buy it. This wig is 20 inches, I believe, and it was very affordable for the quality of the hair and the length. This wig, it does tangle just a little bit, and it also does shed just a little bit, but not too much to where it's annoying. Now what I'm doing is I'm taking some of that same powder that I put on the wig cap, and I'm just going to be putting it on the inside of my wig, on the lace. I'm trying to record this video, and my light's gonna start changing colors, like... So now the wig's on, I'm just pulling it back so the hair can be out the way. Like, ready for this? I mean, can we just, like, look at this? What cap? Once again, we are going to be using the Ghost Bond wig glue, and now we're going to take that and we're going to put that around the perimeter of our head again. Then we're going to spread it out, make sure we get it everywhere, and then blow dry. After applying 2 layers of the Ghost Bond glue, now I'm just laying my wig down. And I suggest using a rat tail comb with a metal end to lay your wig down, because the oils from your fingers can get on your glue and your lace, which can cause your wig to lift easier and quicker. And now after the Ghost Bond glue dries, I like to just go back in with my Got2b Glue Free Spray and just spray that around where some areas of the wig might have not stuck to the glue, or to just fix some minor issues that I didn't like to see. So then I took these Wrap It Up strips and I wrapped it around my head, and I think I let it sit for about 5 minutes, and then I took it off just to make sure everything is dry and laid down. So now I'm going to blow dry my hair. Now I'm going to take my BioSilk heat protectant that I purchased from Amazon, and I'm going to distribute that all throughout my hair. Now I'm going to take my Infinity Pro by Conair hair straightener and I'm just going to straighten the entire wig. When straightening this wig, I did use the highest setting, and the highest setting on this straightener is 30, so I used that to straighten the wig. Heart been broke so many times, I don't know what to believe. Once I finish straightening my hair, I'm just taking the Got2b Glue Free Spray again, and I'm going to spray that in my comb and just comb down the flyaways.
Bruh.
Alright guys, and now I'm just fixing anything that I didn't like, just making my final touches on this wig. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that it helped you with applying your lace fronts. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I will link everything I use in this video down below. Bye!